Welcome to homework practice number 8. We took a little break yesterday. Hopefully you did your multiplication. Alright, so make sure you put your name on the top. Which number line is partitioned? So number line and partitioned. Partitioned, remember, means to split equally into fourths. And fourths means into 4 equal parts. So which one is split equally into 4 different parts? So remember, we don't want to count the lines. We want to count the spaces in between the lines. So this would get one huge X right here. So that's only one partition. This one gets 2, 1, 2. This one gets 1, 2, 3. And this one gets 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all partitioned equally. They have equal spacing. But this is the only one that is partitioned into fourths. So the answer is A. Okay, number 2. Select the fractions. And I see this S right there. So it's going to be more than one answer. And I also know it's more than one answer because I have an E option. E means that there's going to be more than one answer. Select the fractions that are equivalent. Equivalent means the same, equivalent to 1. And that's 1 whole. So this one, denominator, I'll make a circle. The denominator means how many pieces are in this whole, and there's only one piece in the whole. So I can shade that in because there's 3 pieces shaded, it said. Then 2 and 3. 3 pieces shaded, but there's only one piece in the whole. So it's that whole thing. So this equals 3 wholes. That does not equal 1. So let me go to the next one. Alright. This time my denominator says 2 pieces are in a whole. So I split it in half and 2 pieces are shaded. My numerator says 1, 2. And that equals 1 whole. So that's one of them. Remember, there's more than one answer. 4 thirds. There's 3 in a whole. So I made my whole with 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3 are shaded, but I need another one shaded. So I need to make a whole another whole. Split it into thirds, but only one of them gets shaded. So that matches here. So 4 thirds. 4 is how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. And thirds is how many my whole is split into. So that's why I have they're split into 3 pieces because of my denominator there. D. It says my whole is split into 6 pieces right here. And so I'll first split it into 3, and then I'll split all those pieces. And that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, it says I need to shade in 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that's 1 whole piece. And E. 8 pieces, so I'm going to split it into 4 first. And then I'm going to split each one of those again. There's my 8 pieces. And now I only shade in 1. And that definitely does not equal 1 whole. So that would not be the answer. So not this one, not this one, not this one. All right, let's flip it over to the back. A number line is shown below. So I'm looking at this number line. Looks like they're splitting it into eighths. That one whole is going to be the same thing as 8/8. This is going to be the same thing as 0/8 in the front. Okay. Which pair of fractions? Pair means two. So which two fractions is equivalent? Okay. 5/8, A is 5/8, would be right here. It's equivalent to 2/4. Okay, so if I need to make fourths. Fourths is if I split this thing into 4 pieces. Right now it's into 8 pieces. So if I go for every 2 pieces, I do a fourth, 1/4. Start out with 0/4. And then another piece, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Okay, you can see my pieces are bigger because I split it into fourths. And we'll see which ones match. So 5/8, nothing matches with fourths with 5/8. 2/4 and 4/8 is right here. 2/4 and 4/8, those match. So the answer is B. 3/8 would be right here. There's no fourths that match with that. And 2/4 is right here, and that does not match with 2/8, which would be right here. They're not the same. Okay, Hazel shaded the circles below. Before even reading that, I want to make that into a fraction. So how many pieces are in the whole? That would go on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of these pieces is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And I can do that to every single piece. Even the non-shaded piece is 1/4. All of these are 1/4. So that denominator is not going to change. So it's 4 over here. Now the top piece, or the numerator, is going to be how many pieces are shaded. So let's see how many pieces are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11/4. Which one of these are 11/4? C. And that is it for homework. Alright guys, I'll see you at school tomorrow. Have a great day.